FreeCAD versus Blender. Which 3D software is better? Choosing the right 3D software can transform your modeling or animation projects without wasting time or compromising quality. FreeCAD focuses on precision CAD, while Blender excels in creative 3D art and animation. FreeCAD and Blender are both powerful 3D software but serve different purposes. FreeCAD is designed for parametric CAD modeling with engineering precision, while Blender is a versatile 3D creation suite aimed at animation, sculpting, and artistic rendering. The core difference lies in technical design versus creative freedom. FreeCAD is an open-source parametric 3D CAD modeler tailored for engineering and product design. It allows users to create precise models by defining parameters and constraints, making it easy to modify designs without starting over. FreeCAD supports mechanical engineering, architecture, and product prototyping with tools for sketching, part design, and assembly. Its parametric approach ensures accuracy and repeatability, which is crucial for technical projects requiring exact dimensions. FreeCAD integrates with formats like STEP and IGAs, facilitating collaboration with other CAD software. However, its interface can feel complex for beginners, and it lacks advanced animation or sculpting features found in more artistic software. The ideal user is an engineer, architect, or designer focused on technical modeling, needing a free, customizable tool that prioritizes precision and mechanical workflows over visual effects. Blender is a free open-source 3D creation suite widely used for animation, sculpting, modeling, and rendering. It offers an all-in-one solution with advanced tools for mesh editing, texture painting, rigging, and physics simulations. Blender supports real-time rendering with Eevee and photorealistic rendering via cycles, making it popular among artists, animators, and game developers. Its flexible interface and extensive plugin ecosystem allow customization for diverse creative workflows. While Blender includes modeling tools, it is not focused on parametric CAD or engineering precision, which limits its use for technical design or manufacturing. It excels in creating detailed characters, environments, and animations rather than precise mechanical parts. Blender's learning curve is steep but rewarding for creative professionals who want to produce visually stunning 3D content. The ideal user is a digital artist, animator, or game developer who values artistic control and visual effects over exact engineering specifications. FreeCAD and Blender cater to different needs in 3D design. FreeCAD shines in engineering scenarios where precision and parametric control are essential, such as product prototyping or architectural plans. Its ability to modify designs by adjusting parameters saves time in iterative technical workflows. Blender, on the other hand, excels in creative projects like animations, game assets, and visual effects, where detailed sculpting and realistic rendering matter. The trade-off is between FreeCAD's technical accuracy and Blender's artistic flexibility. FreeCAD's interface and specialized tools suit engineers but may overwhelm artists. Blender's rich animation and rendering tools empower creatives but lack the precise measurement and constraint systems engineers require. Choosing depends on whether your priority is exact technical modeling or expressive 3D artistry. Choose FreeCAD if your work demands precise parametric modeling, engineering accuracy, and technical design features tailored for manufacturing or architecture projects. Blender is the better choice for artists and animators seeking a comprehensive 3D suite with powerful sculpting, animation, and rendering capabilities. Both tools are free and open source, so select the one that best fits your project's focus on precision or creativity.